2013 INFINITI JX 7-passenger SUV. That's white pearl, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars, backup sensors. Well kept vehicle. Cargo mat in the back, power folding third row, storage underneath, Bose acoustic wave system, premium audio, power tailgate, nice, very well kept tan leather interior, carpeted floor mats throughout. Real nice interior. Wood grain trim throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors with auto up-down windows with memory seating for the driver. Plenty of adjustments. Traction control. Heated front row seats. CD player. Navigation. Pre-90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio with a backup camera. Steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth, auto headlights, just under 133,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come out and see us.